Comfort seekers and adventurers, welcome. Prepare to meet the 2026 Volvo Motorhome, the pinnacle of luxury and innovation on the road. It is anticipated that this amazing vehicle, which blends superb performance with sophisticated Scandinavian style, will completely transform the RV market. Thanks to Volvo's recognizable sleek, aerodynamic lines, it strikes the ideal mix between elegance and utility and radiates refinement from the exterior. We anticipate a sophisticated electric drivetrain, perhaps with 2 electric motors for strong and seamless all-wheel drive, augmented by a large battery pack for increased range and emission-free driving, as the high-tech brains behind it all. The dashboard's sleek, futuristic appearance greets you as soon as you enter. A big, vertical infotainment display that functions as an intuitive, fully integrated control center has taken the role of buttons. All the information you want is shown on a stylish digital driver's display behind it, and a 5G connection and integrated Google Assistant guarantee that you're constantly linked to the outside world and your navigation. As soon as you walk in, you will feel the true spirit of Scandinavian design. The inside is roomy, bright, and elegantly decorated. The use of environmentally friendly textiles, such as Nordico and thick wool blends, is not only visually beautiful but also gratifying to the touch. Unhindered views of the natural world are made possible by large panoramic windows and even a glass roof, which let the splendor of nature permeate your cabin. This room's adaptable design, which includes sliding and swiveling seating, enables you to quickly convert it from a cozy lounge to a sophisticated dining area. The bedroom in the 2026 Volvo Motorhome provides a peaceful haven when it's time to relax. A king-size bed with a comfortable mattress is one instance of how modern style and functionality may coexist. Concealed storage and movable ambient lighting create the ideal setting for unwinding. Volvo's refinement is even evident in the bathroom's design. Because of its high-quality materials, contemporary fixtures, and the potential for a water-saving shower, this bathroom is small but effectively utilizes all of the available space. Together, style and functionality make sure you receive what you want in a logical and understandable way. Let's finally take a look inside the kitchen. This kitchen, which is intended for traveling cooks, most likely has energy-efficient, modern appliances like a seamless refrigerator/freezer, an induction cooktop, and a useful sink. You'll always have everything you need to make delectable meals wherever you go thanks to creative counters and concealed storage. More than simply a car, the 2026 Volvo Motorhome is a futuristic house on wheels that blends technology, sustainability, and elegance to deliver an unmatched vacation experience. Are you prepared for your next journey?